welcome to my channel. So this morning I'm just kind of making some infused herbal oils. So I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of what I'm working on for my essential oil classwork. It's really super easy. I've never done this before. I did it a couple weeks ago with calendula flowers. This is kind of like what you do if you want to make a simple herbal infused oil, like a carrier oil. You can use virgin unrefined like olive oil, jojoba oil. That's good for like massage oil and stuff. Just been using jojoba oil in my rollerball recipes for my blends. So today I am going to do a lavender infused olive oil. So I'll probably use that down the road in some of my blends. Here is kind of what I'm working on. So this is a really quick, simple way to make an herbal infused oil. And this is used what's called like a folk method, which is you just basically leave it in a sunny, warm window for like 2 to 3 weeks. And that's it. There's just nothing really else to do except for let the herbs or flowers just work the magic in the oil and let the sun do the work for you. Here's what I'm doing. So here's our fish. She's a very attentive little baby betta fish. Her name's Rosie. She likes to sit in the kitchen and watch us do stuff. So as you can see, there she is waiting for me to do something. This is like where I usually do my work. So if she's hiding, she'll come out and see what's going on. So it's kind of funny. It's our first little family pet. So there she is. Hi, fishy. So back to the oils. You can use any sort of like jojoba oil. That's what I'm gonna do for this lavender blend, just because I feel like that type of oil is gonna be more useful for me. Jojoba is good for like massage oils, or I put in like a roller ball. You can use it for skincare too. I might put some of that, down the road in some skincare recipes. So what I will do, I have got lavender flowers, and I'm just going to fill in the jar. I think this is about like 4 ounces, I'm not sure. So what I'll do, I'll put all the lavender flowers in there, leave about 1 inch of headspace, pour the oil in. I'm just making a smaller batch of this. This is a 4 ounce thing of oil, so I'm probably gonna use that. I already took a little bit out of it, so I'm gonna get this going. This up. And when you're doing an herbal infused oil, you want to have dry herbals. You don't want to have anything that's fresh. Too much excess water and it'll cause mold issues. So you want to work with dried herbs or dried flowers or whatever you're going to do. Just make sure it's dry. And do a little shake, settle that down a bit. So I just kind of used up what I had left here. So you can see all my lavender flowers. And then I will go ahead and add the jojoba oil. Now I've heard if you want to have this preserved a little longer, you'll want to add a little bit of vitamin E oil, add like a percentage of like 1 for the ratio. And then I'm just gonna dump this in here. I'll save this bottle for later because once I'm done here and strain that, I'm gonna put that oil in here and relabel it. So you can see this is covered down here, so I'm probably gonna add a little more. Like I said, you wanna have like at least 1 inch over here covering the herbs. And then we'll just top the rest of this up here. There we go. So there you can see it's at least covering all the herbs now. So I already labeled my cap. And I have quite a few different herbal infusions going on. So this is lavender infused jojoba, and then I put the date on it because then I will check it. It'll be ready in about 2 to 3 weeks or however want to let it sit so it can really soak in the lavender. What you do is you put it in a sunny windowsill and just let the sun do its work. I have it sealed tightly, and then just give it a shake, every day. Give it a good shake. And then just let the sun do its work. So what I got going on here, kind of exciting. Got the lavender, so I'll put that in my windowsill. I have got lavender and calendula infused olive oil. I've got ginger infused olive oil, and then I have moringa infused olive oil. And then I have another just calendula upstairs in my window. So, got quite a few infusions going on here for oils. A little plant growing here. little shamrock for St. Patrick's Day. Trying to get more green thumb and growing my own herbals and flowers. Also some calendula that I'm gonna plant pretty soon here indoors when I get some potting soil. Oh yeah, that's kind of what I got going on here. If you want to make your own herbal infused oils, if you like to make skincare product to use with your essential oils, this will take it up. So that's kind of it. Give you a little sneak peek of what I'm working on, what might come up in videos over time. Super easy. You can infuse your virgin olive oil too for cooking. You don't have to use it for essential oils or skincare. You can do it for cooking as well. So simple and easy project. You can have some fancy infused oil for cooking. I will see you next time.